this to myself? I stayed up all night doing the Pool 8 videos because I really wanted to get them done before I went camping. I got one of them done, and the other one I'll finish when I get back and post when I get back. But oh my gosh, why? Why do I do this to myself? Also, check out, nothing. Don't check out anything. Check out my fridge. There's nothing exciting. I don't know. I'm fucking, pardon my language, so frickin' fucking tired. Oh, I don't even care. Censor this later. Or not. I don't censor myself anymore. Woohoo! Where's Justin? Okay, I'm losing my mind. And my balance.
Set your dream state.
I'm sorry.
Second
I'm sorry.
Dream level right now.
I apologize, Justin, for not vlogging it. But it's copyrighted music. I'd have to censor this all out. No, I won't. Welcome to the clusterfuck that is our car. Oh God. No one buy anything in Drumheller that we have to bring back. No t-shirts.
Here, I didn't even hold any meetings, and I forgot to hold the elections because I didn't read the Constitution.
I read the Constitution.
I didn't
You just didn't follow it.
So excited.
Me too.
Quick, get the deer. Where's the deer?
Right there.
Oh, there. Sorry, it's concentrating on these things right now.
There's one over.
It's a dinosaur deer.
No, it's like a
Stop sign was ahead.
I'm sure. When does that bomb part come?
I'm not sure. I haven't listened to this all the way through.
Actually, we should save that for when we actually get to the museum. The that'd be good music.
Emily Schultz. What? We are here at a lovely campground at an undisclosed location. Justin and Gavin are going to register our vehicle. Our what? Our vehicle. I said it in an odd fashion. I don't know why. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. And my legs have just given out. And I really wish I had taken another one. This will relax it. Still haven't slept though. It's taken a lot longer. I'm starting to run out of the Little House on the Prairie song.
Okay. I thought he was calling you for help. He'd fallen in or something.
He's fallen in before.
Justin, did you fall in? Are you okay?
Lassie.
Ooh, Mary. You see there?
What?
I wonder where that goes.
I don't know if anyone would want
Don't
that.
judge us for our conversation.
We're just supervising right now.
Well done.
Well done. Jolly good show. Little to the left.
Maybe I don't.
Come on, you can do it.
I never climbed trees as a kid though. I'm really bad at it.
Really?
Really. I climbed like 3 trees in my entire life. Ow, my foot!
Grab the branch.
No, this is not happening.
No?
And this is getting deleted too.
I don't think it is.
Ow, my foot!
Mental part of it.
Yeah, we did something wrong.
Actual time.
The actual time.
Oh, that's sad.
Come on, duties.
How many people does it take to make a tent? Oh. I see. Tent first, then cover. Okay, okay.
And you don't have to worry about the
Oh. Thank you, Seth.
Bye. Yeah, that thing is stubborn.
Ah, working on a railroad. He's hoeing the ground now. All is long day.
Log 1, jumped into 0. He's so tiny. Here, baby.
Bleh.
Why is he going so close?
Here, you want some fun?
He's gonna get burnt.
So, we are making s'mores, and I'm going to preheat the chocolate cookie mixture here once the marshmallow is done for extra gooey goodness. Thank you for trying to crush my head.
I didn't try, I
You
succeeded.
do spit.
There's no try. Do or do not.
I'm just whittling a stick. Because that's how I roll. Ooh.
Are you gonna put the marshmallow on there?
Oh, shit.
I don't have much time.
It won't take long.
It's already started to liquefy.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, the risks.
Alright, we're good.
Ah!
Feel like a zoom of that.
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, that chocolate's all melted. Oh yeah.
Well done, Dustin. Well done.
You know-
That's perfection in a s'more right there.
You gonna patent that?
This is the first time I've actually been able to hear frogs in my entire life.
Really?
Yeah. No.
Frog. Do you hear crickets ever? I love
Yeah,
the
I hear
sound of
crickets. We're just touristing it up, taking pictures.
I know. I think some of them.
I think they're frogs. Noisy little bastards,
I
aren't
want
they?
to catch a frog.
Substitutes as a really cheap Halloween costume.
What's the purpose?
Start with hands on it. Go.
Yeah.
Put down your one. Thank you.
I know, I was, oh, for the love of God, you're so needy. Love of God.
I am on a fucking roll.
Damn you.
Oh my god! Sorry. Just.
Is this a 6 or a 9?
It's a 6.
That's a 6? Let's.
I had one card left.
Oh my god.
Wait for it.
odds of moving across a dry river channel.
Yeah, Dutch female and her baby plus giant
Race across uneven terrain. Today, they're safe, but when storms move through the area, VEIJ making crossing extremely hazardous.
everything for the bones buried in the exposed channel.
Why do they always die like that? Going into the past. Oh my god. Oh. Gavin, it's a tiny man's footprint. What have we unearthed? Oh. Oh. Well, Gavin would have had a fighting chance. No. They blew it up. Keep it classy, man.
Look at that one over there.
Where? Oh, hello. I know, they're so weird. I've never seen these before.
Give it out. Give it to tam się.
I want out.
Jest jeszcze shopping.
You must get bored.
Yeah, no doubt. Well, stop eating all your friends, Shelly. Maybe you'd have some fun.
That shit cray.
Alright. That doesn't help. Nothing. Emily and I are nomming on some fries because the boys are still waiting for their food. And it's been a lovely little time here at Terrell Museum. We're sitting by the fountain with a insert dinosaur name here. It's very nice. You enjoying yourself, Emily? Where are those boys? Damn it! There's a gopher. Hello.
Nah, go away. No,
Oh, you're so cute.
no, go away.
What's nothing wrong with gopher friend?
It'll bite you.
He won't bite.
Yeah, that's right.
He's so cute though. Oh, I love him.
Oh.
Hmm?
If you do this.
Is that the oil? That's still the oil field.
Okay.
What have you learned, Emily Schultz?
Nothing. Don't put that on.
I don't know any more lyrics.
I think we find a roll of toilet paper in the fire pit.
Yeah, that's caught pretty good. Well,
The roll hasn't.
The roll.
the roll will though now that there's more flange.
I don't know.
It's too dense.
Silicone cup things that you put the eggs in and put it in the water so they float perfectly.
Oh, it's senior menu. Damn it!
And white, clean and bright, you look happy to me.